yung tradisyon nila eh. So parang sinabi nila, Alexa, na katrabaho ko din sa Liwanag, sabi, oy, expect nyo na ipapapasukin. Imposibleng hindi ka papapasukin. So, yung ganong briefing, medyo naging ready na si Gab na, hindi niya alam kung kailan, pero at least medyo prepared na yung utak niya na anytime pwede ako ipasok. I guess medyo naging advantage na rin sa kanya yun. Kasi pinanood namin yung mga dati, sila Tony, sila Mariel, yun talaga sobrang surprise, kaya feeling ko sobrang umiyak talaga sila ng todo kasi hindi nila alam talaga na ipapasok sila. So si Gabby medyo na-prep siya in a certain way, pero hindi pa rin niya alam kung kailan exactly. Pero grabe yun, si Gab, tatlo din yung ginagawa niya ngayon. She's hosting, she's doing Slay, tapos may Sangre pa. So it's been a very busy first quarter. Grabe, matatapos pa lang yung March. Actually, ngayon ko lang na-realize na, oh my gosh, ang dami namin ginagawa.
Yes.
But then, sobrang blessed kaming dalawa. Minsan na lang kami magkita. Pero, you know, we make it a point na in those times, we still, you know, spend time with each other. Kami naman, ano lang naman kami, mababaw lang kami whenever we're together. We just love eating actually. We love eating outside. So, yun lang lagi namin ginagawa. But, I'm very proud of her. Grabe, ginusto din naman niya yan. So, di ba? So,
napanood mo ba siya sa live stream?
Oo, yeah. Tinuruan niya ako bago mangyari lahat na, pagka pumasok ako, ganito yung sa I Want yung live stream.
Napanood mo yung minention niya yung relationship niya?
Oo, grabe. Sabi nga niya. Oo nga kinuwento niya talaga eh. So, sobrang nakakatuwa na she's that candid. Si Gabby, she's a people person kasi yun eh. She can go on. Kaya ako confident ako na she'll fit right in. Kinakabahan siya pero kaya niya yun.
Last yung sa akin, has it always been like that? Sabi niya kasi kahit yakapin ko sabay si Dustin at may isa pang guy, sabi niya, I'm sure hindi siya magsiselos. Has it always been
I think that's her way of saying lang na parang we're both just really secure now in our relationship. I think hindi ko nabuo, parang pumasok yata yung live stream in the middle of their conversation na nila. So I think it was her way of saying na yung security namin hindi na siya nagiging issue. Yung ganun, the way she says it, parang wala na rin sa akin talaga yun kasi I know that the both of us wouldn't do anything foolish enough to hurt our relationship kasi we've invested too much and we've invested so much na in the relationship that we value and we treasure. So kaming dalawa yun eh. Hindi na siya hindi na dumadapo sa isip namin na may matempt or magawa kaming ikasisira pa nung relationship namin. So yung parang pinag-uusapan yata nila nun was 8 years na kayo, parang hindi ba kayo nabobore, hindi kayo
What about you? Ikaw, anong sagot mo doon?
Hindi, you know what? Kahit kami nagugulat, siguro it's our first time also na maramdaman yung ganito. It's my longest relationship yet. It's our first time to do this as well. And syempre maraming nagsasabi na, pagdating nyo ng ganito, iisipin nyo na yan, magsasawa na kayo, ganyan. Siguro we didn't dwell on that, simply because we didn't want to invite the negative energy na to the relationship. So kami parang, you know what, okay, yun yung mga sinasabi nila, pero relax lang tayo, syempre we have hindi naman kami perfect, we have our misunderstandings, we have our problems, but then the way that Gabby says it, it's not big enough to break the relationship. So parang we're past that already. And in terms of the excitement, nagugulat din kami, we're always still so excited. I don't know, like we always go back to it being a decision kasi parang 8 years in, it's already a decision to want to spend time with your partner. Kasi, di ba, kung tutusin, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit hindi mo siya pansinin buong araw, wala, 8 years na kayo. Okay na, hindi naman kayo maghihiwalay or whatever. But then, it's that complacency is actually pagmumulan ng maraming bagay, maraming negative energy, maraming problems. So, it's a decision. It's every day. Sabi nga niya, every night we still do video call. It's because we want to say good night properly to each other. It's not because we're we're super clingy or whatever. It's just because we decided na, you know what, why do we have to stop? Why do we have to break that just ganun lang kasimple yun. It's not very effortful na for the both of us.
Okay. So yun nga, sabi mo every night kayo nag-video call. Ilang nights na kayong hindi nakakapag-video call? Kasi nasa loob siya.
Third night na. Pero ako like, kung makita niyo yung thread namin, I still update her kung nasaan ako kasi
kahit di niya nababasa.
Habit eh.
Oh my God.
Kukunin ko yung phone ko tapos sabihin ko nasaan ako or ano yung kinakain ko tapos maalala ko nga pala hindi nga pala siya magre-reply kasi nasa loob siya ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero wala it's something that we both do na. I guess that's how a partnership is. Again, I'm going back na parang this is our first time being like this to another person that's not part of our family. Pero parang, gano'n na yung relationship namin. So, parang nung isang araw, pumunta kasi ako ng parang event siya na may mga thrift. So, kinukunan ko pa rin yung mga sa tingin ko magugustuhan niya kahit hindi na
sinesend mo pa rin sa G.
Sinesend ko pa rin sa kanya. So yeah, it's something na yun na yung dynamic namin. So I guess kumbaga we pat ourselves on the back na parang the first like 2-3 years yung kasi yung pinaka-crucial. So I guess we were kumbaga nalagpasan namin at nabuo namin yung foundation na matibay talaga para tumagal siya.
Ito ba yung longest niyo away? Or walang communication?
Walang communication. Parang ito na yung, as in kahit cellphone, wala.
Wala, di ba? Wala talaga.
Yeah, wala. Yeah, ito na yung longest. Pero away, madaming beses na. Like, she went to Italy for Unbreak My Heart.
Yeah,
Tapos ako din, I had to go to the US for some time. Mga 2-3 months na. Pero ito na yung longest na walang
communication. Zero communication talaga. So ready ka naman umabot ng 1 week. Si Maggie ba 1 week din?
1 week.
1 week.
Few days lang yan.
Ewan ko kung gaano pa siya katagal dun. Ako, ready naman. Ako nakakapanibago nung first few days na parang iba yung may isang gabi parang nakatulala na lang ako kasi wala na akong kausap. Tapos inaalala ko, asan na ba yung mga kaibigan ko? Punta ko nga yung mga kaibigan ko.
Ikaw ba willing ka pumasok if ever?
Maging guest house.
Grabe. Yun, hindi ko alam. Alam niyo, sobrang ako conscious akong tao eh. Tsaka, kabalik na lang kami ni Gabby. Si Gabby sobrang bilis niya makasalimuha yung mga iba't ibang tao kahit hindi siya ka-close. Ako, matagal ako. Hindi ako masyadong nagko-connect agad. So, hindi ko alam. Feeling ko, siguro it's matindihang convincing bago ako makapasok doon. Pero at the top of my head, parang hindi ko kaya yun, grabe yun, yung buong mundo nanonood, feeling ko magka-crumble ako. Sobrang kakainin mo ako ng mga insecurities ko pag nandun ako.
But that topic alone gained traction this past few days sa various social media platforms. Since nasabi niyo naman po yung mga statement niyo about kay Gabby being in PBB kanina, is there anything that you want to tell her while she's inside?
I'm so proud of her. As in, for context, ikwento ko na kung paano ba, nag-unfold itong new chapter niya. We call it, this is something very new to her. I think last year, that was around last year, nung patapos na yung Unbreak My Heart, si Gabby, she found herself in a rut, and parang naisip niya na, kumbaga umabot na siya sa crossroads, na gusto ko ba talagang gawin to. Kumbaga medyo na burn out siya, medyo hindi niya alam kung para sa kanya pa rin ba talaga yung umabot nga actually na show business as a whole. So, ang daming mga gabi na I would talk to her, ang dami naming conversations about her career. Umabot sa point na she doesn't know what she's actually good at. So, ang daming beses na kinailangan ko siya talagang malihis sa ganung klaseng thought process at really help her to be back on track to what she really loves doing. Then we went back to the to the super basic stuff and figuring out her passion in life and her skills, her talents, and what she's really, really good at. And I told her, sabi ko, you know what? You as a host, I feel like, and whenever we would talk, sometimes umaabot kami na parang hindi kami magjowa, para kaming nagbi-business talk. So I would tell her na that's something that you haven't really realized yet, yung potential mo as a host. Kasi ikaw, you love talking to people. When I would see her in her element, pagka nasa events, ako nasa isang sulok lang ako kasi grabe yung social battery ko, hindi talaga kaya, hindi ko kayang makipag-usap sa lahat ng tao. So, pero siya, it's what energizes her. Siya, hindi siya napapagod. Siya, mas game na game siya. So sabi ko, bakit hindi yun yung yung mas i-direct mo yung career mo towards it's being a host, being that person, a host that is versatile, that could also act, that could do all these events, who's very passionate as well sa fashion. So yun, doon nagsimula, as in I remember that night sinabi niya, rumor pa lang yun na magkaka-PBB. Sabi-sabi pa lang na, uy, parang magkaka-collab daw yung GMA, ABS na PBB. Right then and there, minanifest niya, I want to be a host. I'm gonna host that. Gagawin ko lahat para mapansin ako ng mga executives na, uy, pwede pala si Gabby na maging host. So, ginawa nga niya lahat. As in, nag-mentorship kay Tito Boy. Tito Boy, we're so grateful for him. He took Gabby under his wing. Almost every week yan nag-workshop with Tito Boy. And until now, actually, bigla na lang tumatawag si Tito Boy sa kanya na, napanood ko yung tapos bibigyan siya ng tips. So, sobrang grabe yung dedication ni Gab towards this new phase of her career. Up to a point na sobrang game siya pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya, which is something that is also some feeling ko, years before hindi niya maiisip na gagawin niya. But then she really wants it. So, I'm so proud of her. I couldn't be happier for her.
Khalil, nakatrabaho mo na si Gabby many times sa mga projects nila. If you rate her 1 to 10, how is she as a actress, as a host, and last as a girlfriend? Grabe na yun.
Siyempre 10 sa lahat. 10 sa lahat. If anything, grabe ang work ethic ni Gabby. That's hindi ako showbiz aside or being a partner aside. Kahit na tanungin nyo yung prod, tanungin nyo yung mga nakatrabaho niya, ang hindi mo matatanggal sa kanya, grabe siya magtrabaho. Sobrang mahal niya yung ginagawa niya and sobrang professional niya. That's something that is effortless for her, which is it just goes to show she was really raised well by her parents, by Tito and Tita, and yung pagpapalaki sa kanya talaga maganda, at yung values system niya matibay na matibay, kasi grabe, wala talagang sa kanya, wala kang makikitang kahit anong unprofessionalism. Lagi niya sinasabi niya, maarte siya pero hindi siya nag-iinarte. Sinabi din niya yung sa bahay ni Kuya, disclaimer niya agad sa lahat kasi she's often misinterpreted na ang arte-arte naman ito, pero kasi maarte talaga siya, as in very kikay, very maarte the way she talks, and very straightforward din siya, very frank. So she is who she is, as in no filter, as in siya yung you do you talaga, and that's something that I admire about her. So mapa actress, host, tsaka bilang girlfriend, ako I'm 10 out of 10 rating. Super wala akong lagpas pa sa 10.
Pero ito parang in 8 years nyo, hindi biro yun sa relationship.
Oo.
Pero syempre, I don't know if you na-answer it or not. Napapag-usapan nyo na rin ba to settle down? Or yung mga gano'n?
We talk about it a lot. I think ewan ko kung paano hinandle ng mga previous generations, ng mga parents namin. But then, I guess, siguro ngayon, because of the way we communicate, I guess, we talk about it a lot. At for me, dapat lang, it's not something that we should shy away from talking about. Kasi kaming dalawa, early into the relationship, we made it clear na we are, our intent, or yung sa amin, sa sarili namin, personally, we wanna date to marry. We're not looking for date ng wala lang, for fun lang. So, di ba, pagka sinabi mo yun sa isang taong hindi kayo parehas, medyo mata-turn off na, uy, ano pala siya, medyo hindi kami match kasi. Pero kami, nag-match kami. So, yun yung intention namin dalawa. Early pa lang, hindi pa kami nakaka 1 year, nagsabihan na kami ng intentions na, oh, why are we doing this? Siguro kasi kami, di ba nga, sa showbiz, ano ang pahinga, ginto yan sa amin. So, yung oras, di ba, parang latag mo ng intentions mo kasi ayaw ko magsaya ng oras kasi sa amin, yung time namin sobrang importante. Yun yung isa sa mga privileges na makapagpahinga at makagawa ng mga bagay outside showbiz. So going back to that, yeah, we talk about it a lot. Syempre, naniniwala pa rin kami na ayaw namin i-jinx or we don't talk about it too much, but we talk about the timings. Of course, to be completely honest, that's something in the near future. It's something that we're going to do, is to settle down.
So if may ma-achieve na certain milestone kayo, doon yung masasabi na this is the time, or may specific time na kayo?
Parang wala naman in terms of milestone, wala naman. Pero parang I think yun nga, like I'm gonna circle back to 2023. Hindi pa siya nagka-problems pa siya in terms of her career path. She wanted to solidify that first.
Okay.
So syempre, ayoko mag-propose ng ganun siya, di ba? Ano siya, hindi pa time. So I guess in terms of timing, maybe yung feeling na yun na in terms of the external forces or everything that's surrounding us, hindi na masyadong mababago yung because of the marriage. Tsaka namin gagawin. Pero as of now, syempre she has so much to do pa. She's still solidifying her track as host. So ang dami pa niyang matutunan. So as of now, syempre sa pagka-busy namin, not exactly the time, but when we would talk about it, it's coming naman na. It's something that we talk about a lot.
Going back to you after Gabby,